Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing a game called Bodycam. I picked this game up during the winter Steam sale for about $25. This is a first-person shooter that is in early access on Steam made by a two-man team over at Rasad Studio. It features hyper-realistic graphics using the Unreal Engine 5. If you're a fan of intense first-person shooters, then this game is definitely up your alley. Since its early access release on June 7, 2024, Bodycam has received mixed reviews with many users criticizing it over server issues. As of December 2024, the reviews have steadily improved, holding a 74% mostly positive approval rating on Steam user reviews. First off, let's talk about the graphics and gameplay mechanics of Bodycam. One of the standout features of Bodycam is its photorealistic graphics. While the environments are not meticulously crafted, they do feel incredibly lifelike. From the realistic maps to the fluid character movement and the way the gun sways around, it truly is a unique experience. Bodycam offers a slight twist on the traditional FPS genre by incorporating a body-mounted camera that gives you a different way of experiencing the action. The controls are pretty smooth and responsive and feature basic FPS mechanics such as leaning, crouching, mantling over objects. The environments, while not built from the ground up, are varied and offer different ways to play. There is a map that everybody that plays will sure enjoy.
That was sick, brother.
Sound plays a crucial role in Bodycam. From the echo of footsteps to the distinct sounds of gunfire, the audio design contributes significantly to the game's immersive experience. Since the game has no HUD available, you have no access to a map. The only way you can find yourself in a firefight is by following the sound of gunshots and footsteps, and this game does it right.
But can we talk about how you buy a skin and you can't see the head?
Right? I mean, yeah, that's kind of... Like, I get, like, what they're going for. Like, I get it. But at the same time, too, $10 for one skin that you...
$10?
Bodycam features basic customization options available to players. You can choose from a decent selection of weapons, camos, and player skins to tailor your experience to your liking. The weapon selections include your typical array of guns: snipers, shotguns, assault rifles, submachine guns, pistols, and grenades. You can customize them with weapon skins that you can purchase with in-game currency that you earn just by playing. The downside is, since this is a $30 game already, the player skins are really overpriced and cannot be purchased with the in-game currency. It will cost real money, and some of the skins run as much as $10 for a single operator skin, which in my opinion is a little high. There is no single-player campaign to speak of, but there is a zombie mode similar to Call of Duty Zombies, but is in no way as fleshed out or as engaging as its inspiration. Elo the Evil and myself played a couple rounds and found it a little lackluster and needing more direction. Where this game really shines is in the multiplayer. It offers a variety of game modes that range from your typical deathmatch to a bomb escort to a search and destroy style mode. These can be played either alone or in a group. There is a server search option, quick play, or even host your own game and use custom rules. Team up with friends or go head-to-head in intense PvP matches to see who reigns supreme. The fast-paced action and competitive gameplay will keep you coming back for more as you strive to climb the ranks and improve your dominance on the battlefield. Some of the problems that I ran into in my 3-hour session are random server disconnects, which happened about 5 or so times. There were some lighting issues on some of the maps, which makes it look like enemy flashlights are peeking through walls, which can lead to you thinking an enemy is close when they aren't. And lastly, the ability to turn off in-game chat. Elo and I wanted to talk just in Discord, and the game chat makes that a little problematic as there is no option to turn it off. You can only lower the settings, which causes an echo. While these aren't game-breaking bugs, they are worth mentioning. Overall, Bodycam is a thrilling and immersive gaming experience that is sure to keep you hooked on for hours. With its stunning graphics, engaging gameplay mechanics, and customizable options, it stands out as a title in the heavily saturated FPS market. So if you're looking for a pulse-pounding adventure that will test your skills and keep you on the edge of your seat, look no further than Bodycam. So there you have it, guys. Bodycam is a game I would recommend if you can find it on sale. While I appreciate what the devs have done, there is still a lot that can be added in future updates, and I hope they keep up with it. Have you guys played Bodycam? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more game reviews like this in the future. Later.